Alright, welcome to a new video guys, and in this video we'll be mixing some Afro House music, and let's understand how to mix Afro House music from a pro perspective. Okay, most of the time what I've seen with a lot of new DJs, rookie DJs or wannabe DJs, or someone who's just too excited, or maybe who's just very new in the scene. Okay, most of the time what I've observed with these kind of people is that they are always in a hurry to finish the track and go into the next track or transition one track to another track. Afro house, progressive house, melodic techno, indie dance, these are all the tracks or songs which needs you to go from one song to another song. In a way, it feels natural and it feels like the vibe is being continued, and it keeps the momentum of your set going on. That is what is important. So in this video, I'll be doing a mix of Black Cat, and the next song is Tanzania. Sorry, yes. It's a remix by Blondish. But again, yeah. The point over here is that you look at the transition, and as I'm going through the transition, my God, my mouth is slipping a lot today. As I'm going through the transition, I'll be explaining you what I'm doing and why exactly am I doing. So let's get started. This is not the point where I'll start the next track, so I'm just skipping all of it ahead. So if you watched any of my previous video, I've told in the previous video, if you're not really sure, if you're new into this, the best place to start the next track is in your remaining time, or your minus 2 minutes 30 seconds, in between minus 2 minutes 30 seconds to minus 1 minute 45 seconds to 40 seconds. Identify your phrase and then start the next song. Now if you don't know what really a phrase is, then you need to learn a lot. So let's get back to this. So over here you can see there's a small gap, and then again the new phrase is starting. That is when I'm going to start the next track. Now I'm going to be mixing in very slowly, because I mentioned the start. Let's beat match it. Done. Now let's understand this song. I think it needs to need a little bit of volume. So right. So the chorus melody is going on. I'm slowly getting the other song's volume in. I'm still judging. Is it really clashing? I'm also keeping a lookout at my volume meter. I can hear the other song come in. This has finished playing its chorus melody or the main melody. Now it's in the outro part of the song. So I'm just going to start cutting mids and highs and pinches, and I'm going to bring the volume of this up. This has some nice drum groove. So if in case I want to loop it, I'll put an end marker. The other song is playing in. Now I've cut the mids and highs. If you see, very slowly I brought it up to this point. Now I'll cut this song and I make you hear what exactly is playing here. This is playing this, and this is playing this. Now together, it just has so much energy. This momentum going on. Now when will I swap my basses is pretty simple. Now if you look at the waveform or the waveform here, you can see now there's a break in the waveform coming in, where it's going to take a breather from the beats. So that is where I'm going to swap it. Not yet. We are close. Right, I can see it now. So now start cutting it. Just cut it and then slowly fade it out. Because now this is playing. So you have to slowly fade it out before the beat comes in. You see how the momentum has been maintained, how the energy was flowing naturally. We did an extended transition, but it still was worth the transition. In Afro House, progressive, melodic house, and all the other relevant genres, it is not about going from one track to another track as quickly as possible. It is about keeping that momentum, keeping that energy, that vibe, which will be on the dance floor, to keep it going on. That is how you can stand out. And I have seen so many of DJs who have, where I've seen it from my own experience of, curating events for new DJs and giving them a platform to play in the local city in Hyderabad in 2022. I've seen so many times these guys used to do this. They are very in the hurry to transition the tracks. So don't be in a hurry to transition the tracks. Take your time, understand the music, understand the melody, and then transition. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope this made sense. I know there are so many other videos, but no one really talks about all of these things in any of the other tutorial videos. So if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you like and share this video with any of your other DJ friends or anyone who's interested in this kind of genre of music. And if you want to learn DJing more on a deeper level and understand music on a musical level, then make sure you check out our website destinyschoolofdj.com. You can take online classes or offline classes in Hyderabad online from anywhere in the world. So check out our website destinyschoolofdj.com and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. So all the course details, by the way, all the course details, all the course curriculum, course fee, everything is on our website. So please go through our website if you're really interested in learning DJing from us. And until then, thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.